If you have lower back pain, strengthen your iliac psoas. Commonly known as the psoas, it's a deep muscle that's part of the hip flexor muscles. It connects to the iliac bone in the pelvis. This muscle is essential for human movement and plays a crucial role in stabilizing your spine and posture. Listen to this strengthening regularly until your symptoms are gone. We are going to strengthen the lumbar vertebrae, L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. We'll separate and combine their weaknesses. We'll erase them to minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's increase the space between each of them. We'll level them out and realign them in all their possible combinations. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward, and forward back. At 100% infinite core potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen these lumbar vertebrae to support the weight of the torso and load-bearing activities. Strong for walking and lifting objects. We strengthen the vertebral body to support the weight and distribute the forces along the entire spine. Strengthen the neural arch to protect the spinal cord. We strengthen the entire structure of the central nervous system. We strengthen the attachment points for muscles and ligaments. We erase memories of traumas, limitations, and diseases in the lumbar region, yours and not yours, from this and other lives. We strengthen the lumbar vertebrae to provide support and stability to the upper body and spine. Strong to allow a wide range of movements and distribute body weight. Strong to support a greater load when standing or performing activities involving weightlifting. Strong for bending forward. Strengthen the extension backwards. We strengthen the lateral tilt and rotation. Strong for walking, running, and lifting objects. Strengthen the spinal cord for transmitting nerve signals between the brain and the rest of the body. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen the hip flexor muscles. We separate the weaknesses of each of them. Iliopsoas major, iliacus, tensor fasciae latae, and sartorius. We delete the weaknesses of each of them and their combination. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them out so they're centered, balanced, and stable. And we integrate them in all their possible combinations. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back, forth, and forth back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the iliopsoas major to powerfully insert into the femur and the femur into this muscle. Strong to optimally participate in trunk flexion. Strong, the iliac crest to insert tightly into the femur. Strong for optimal hip flexion. Strong tensor fascia latae for optimal hip flexion as well as abduction and external rotation. We strengthen the sartorius muscle from the superior anterior iliac spine to the middle part of the tibia. Strong for flexion, abduction, and external rotation of the hip. We strengthen the coordination between these muscles to allow efficient, strong movements and to have adequate flexibility. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's erase memories of this and other lifetimes of related injuries. With this joint, we're going to strengthen the zooxyliac cord to maintain stability in the spine and pelvis. Strong for maintaining balance while standing, strong for carrying out everyday activities efficiently, strong for good posture and protecting the abdominal organs. We're going to remove all weaknesses completely and infinitely, 100% of the time. We erase the accumulated effect of low back pain associated with postural problems. We tighten and loosen this muscle so that it is constantly, frequently, and progressively strengthening. We're going to increase the psoas size to optimal level and erase the accumulated effect of sedentary habits, bad postures, and injuries causing discomfort in the lower back. We strengthen the abdominal region and its connection with the spine. We erase the cumulative effect of overloading, overuse, repetitive activities that involve constant bending of the hip. We erase the cumulative effect of injuries caused by weightlifting. We eliminate too much tension in this muscle, flexing and loosening it again to make it 100% stronger with infinite potential, 100% of the time with endless time. We're going to erase injuries, damages to the psoas muscle from sitting for extended periods. We erase memories from this and other lives of yours, of ancestors and descendants, for having had jobs that demanded one posture, one repetitive activity that left memories of damage in this muscle. We erase it by having experienced it, by having done it to others, by having seen it and heard it commanded. We erase all memories of slavery in all these situations. We eliminate memories and the cumulative effect of falls, impacts in the pelvic area and the lumbar spine. We erase muscle imbalance in strength and flexibility between opposing muscles surrounding the iliopsoas. Strengthen the abdominal muscles and glutes to support this muscle. 100% with infinite potential. 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to eliminate emotions trapped in this muscle. We erase tension from stress, anxiety, fears. We clear the mind of each of these symptoms and send all this information to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and dark energy, black and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We're going to reduce inflammation, decrease histamine, and increase antihistamine. We eliminate the cumulative effect of physical and non-physical pain. We remove physical and non-physical limitations that are embedded in this muscle at negative infinity for 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to make you strong so that is the same or different, not the same or different, change or not change, perception or not perception. We're going to strengthen you for everything positive or negative. We'll make you strong to unconditionally let go, erase, release, become independent, forgive, protect, and unconditionally forget physical pain, discomfort, resistance, rejection, complaint, criticism, accusation, doubt, and fear. We strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal limits, the external limits, and the vertices at 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses to negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Is the pain the same or different? Remember that the best possible result will be experienced by combining this energy strengthening with exercises, rest, stretching, and some type of physical therapy if necessary.